Good morning everyone. In today's class of marketing, I will discuss new topic. After packaging, it is labeling. Label. Label just means name. It can be name, symbol or whole information about the product on the package. Means packaging करने के बाद पैकेज के ऊपर जितना भी प्रिंटेड होता है, जितना भी रिटन होता है, जो भी छपा होता है पैकेज के ऊपर, दैट्स कॉल्ड लेबलिंग. Okay, everything we see on the package, like its name, its manufacturer's name, address, date of manufacturing, date of expiring, ingredients, quality, features, any price, quantity also, and any other information, that's called labeling. Here same is written. Labeling is required as part of marketing, as packaging decisions involve labeling requirements. It provides the customer with requisite information about the product. Okay, it tells the customer about all the information about the product. The buyers also have complete information about quality, features, standard, grade, price means MRP, maximum retail price, quantity, etc. मीन्स ये बता देता है कितना kg है, कितना लीटर है, कितना ग्राम है, कितना ml है, how many quantity of any product is there. It tells. This helps customer in making better and informed decisions. Yes, customer can take the decision either to purchase or not by labeling, by seeing labeling. It is also helpful to the seller. Yes, same as buyers or customers, it is also helpful for sellers as they can differentiate their products from competitors. Attractive labeling. Yes, same as packaging, labeling must also be attractive. If in good handwriting, if in good printing labeling is done, it will be attractive for customer. Attractive labeling also assists or helps in encouraging the customer to pick the products. In most countries across the globe, labeling is mandatory, means compulsory, and they have specifications for labeling. For example, in India, all the pre-packaged food sold, it is sold, SOLD, in the country are required to comply. Comply means follow the rules of law with the Food and Safety Standards, Packaging and Labeling Regulations 2011 issued by the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, functioning under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Okay, India में भी कुछ authorities ने, those are working under Health and Family Welfare, they have maintained some standards according to law for labeling in pre-packaged food. Other example, the other important examples include information regarding nutritional value, vegetarian and non-vegetarian symbols. Yes, as we know, green dot indicates veg, red dot indicates non-veg. Information related to food additives means ingredients or flavors, name and complete address of manufacturer, net quantity, lot identification, date of manufacture or packaging instructions for use. Next, the green dot. As we know, green dot is on vegetarian product, is the example of environmental symbol. As we know, environment is green, so green tells about environment. Labels are the part of printing material on the package. Yes, this is the definition of label. Labels are the part of printing material on the package. Package के ऊपर जो भी लिखा होता है, that's label. The label is a strong sales tool also, an integral part of business advertising. Right. Label is a strong sales tool and part of purchase advertising. Also, safety warnings should also be mentioned on label of all potentially hazardous or harmful products or packages. Yes, those products which are harmful for health, some safety warnings are also written. For example, to be used under the direction of a medical practitioner. Yes, in everything which can be harmful and should be prescribed by a doctor, then it is written to be used under the direction of a medical practitioner or doctor. Second thing, keep out of reach of children. Yes, the things which are harmful for children, it is written keep out of reach of children. Or cigarette, on cigarette we always see cigarette smoking is injurious to health. Or we also see expiry date on medicines. Correct the spelling, MEDICINES. Okay, so that's labeling. Labeling means product के ऊपर पैकेजिंग होती है, पैकेजिंग के ऊपर जो भी लिखा है, that's labeling. means everything printed. Packaging, labeling is the part of printing material on package or product. First off, these are the examples. So just study this, it's also very important after packaging. Thanks for listening. Next I will discuss in other videos.